mwenare medaba kulembeze kuba honorable yavaye ira ayinza okuba ataidibye muri kusadi
ndikwenda okwebaza honorable nti obaira alikogeranga ku mentorship ndowooza kyataidi is nakitengeri ya mwaga ine wano alowooza she's just from nowhere
Nkulire mwogera ku NAKISITA. I'm talking about
it is fine because omaze wayendirako but
because you look like all the young people that I'm addressing in my mind.
I know, but among the young people that you are addressing, NAKISITA Betty Muwala Mwevu with a master's degree, tilo zanga unabuune kujikola chi?
Kujifuna.
It also comes with age. Miaka dibajireko. Ngovile kwecho nakulira maka babo wange ni mwami let Muyinda speak. Abaire chairman wa Greater Magada saaweno Busiki North ebisanda bitya bisatu
obairo na bukulembeze
n'abakulembeze exactly Mzee Muyinda speak muganda wa mwami Aspasa Mpongo Wilson esaaweno ali kuvayenga for that position of Busiki North and he's the card bearer tulikwogera ku mentorship ekitegeeza njire nganga mbona ki obukulembeze munda munju tiko banti mwana ajja kusoma nachi ayo omwana ategeera what is going on in NAMUTUMBA okwawula kuno kuidye I'm seeing until
so otambuliye mu bigere bya bababo ngobone byo obukulembeze bitambula
yes exactly obuziza party organization
wabere okwe mixer je imo kuba trained ngekibina
wabaire we mixer okuba trained ayenga bwaliko aliko bambo mu bijozi bivundu but I think that's what the party for now has to offer but they can do better titusobola kukoba nti ezira kyebakoze kyebakoze omuntu bwaba alina kyafumye omuntu bwaba alina kyafumye kutosobola kukoba nti azira kyakoze
FDC we had a partnership ni Conservative Party in UK Conservative Party ngetuwa opportunity okutwala abantu batano every May to observe the elections. Era the district nenda kumana ono lwaki tulimu lwaki region ene ezira mu lwaki kino tikibaire. Okay? Building a breed. If oba tusobola okuba
rebomba enkayogira.
Abantu bagire China tibona nga mu kumusoga. Abantu bagire Germany mbona balalabo. Mbabonera mu kundani nga bali kujja anti bakobati delegation ejire na babalana anti abo
kale next over okaja mwiso
mukukuzibwa mentorship era ne saaweno even when Mzee went away
yes
omuntu talemererwa kuba na muntu akola ki amumentoringa.
Okay.
It is not possible. Chobobo nakobya ati the cooks are present. Abafumba ki abantu kubanga bono obulamu bakoba ati asiko obulamu takola ki omukono takola ki taisa. Omuntu yetaaga mentor. Tosobola akoba oti wemalirira all the decisions are made by yourself. Chobobo na bwombuuziza. Nti bwali ki obutatwala njireyo akamba yakola ki yatwala. Abantu bana aba mentoring abantu bano abambeerawo my supporters bakoba ati no ife twidinti abantu bakuwachi akalolo and bamala kukubona mu kinusi if they had seen that emptiness they should have not given you aye bawe inga bakoba ati mbe otukana you can be a voice of NAMUTUMBA district.
Okay,
yes
wena we tuli ku ground abantu boogera kyabalonzi kubanga san tulina abantu tulina ebisuubizo tulina kiwandike senti obukulembeze.
Yes, sir.
Leadership, promise, people. Abantu bali kwogera ki ku ground abalonzi bali kwen wobita mu bantu oti ebizibu ebiriwa byonokwereyo nti kino ni kino bizibu by'abantu baife.
Ebizibu byaife. Mama onagireka bikonaku wairenga particularly ayogeire ku kya health. Ewaife abakazi particularly n'abakali obubi nti wiki tebitawo nga tituziisa abaire ali kujja okuzaala
kibino
aye ambulance dino editakola ki editali ediri malfunctional ajja okuba nga ali kuzaalira Magadaba amukoba ati referral to Nsinze ngaye nga n'ensinze abasawo kwolwo tibakoze tibakoze. I didn't know there are even times they are really off. Aye ng'omubiri omulimo gw'omubaka kyenda okufollowinga up nti program eda government dikola omuntu we baba amutaawo follow up baba mananga oli ku followinga nti buli kimu kiritambula nabo bona betereza bakola ki babaayo such that abalwaire bajja okutuuka nga really emergency bakola ki bagihandolinga. Ebuzibu bukaaliwo nti government eta akawumbi akalamba ku district akokulima enguudo.
Yes.
But mumpolampola tujanga tu
akawumbi tikamala z'omulala
yo enko mu bugabula y'amaserengeta
aye empera no bowulira abantu nga bakabateze mbokalima enguudo. Do you know the price of fuel okumuvinga grade?
Aye we
I mean baba bateze you don't know the figure
tikamala ikatakule kutubone
era
bateze
honorable Chandikoba nti akawumba ako bakata ku
mulalati
akawumbi ako we bakata ku district enguudo batakula kubutakule era in within 3 months abantu balowooza ati district ezitachi bakoze echi
ni value yabo
teboneka because batakula kubutakule tibayiye kumala mumbali muzira gundi ojokoloti ng'enguudo iri in bad shape.